Saturday, July 24th, 2021. Let's get started. All right, folks, welcome back. Day 3. Got a lot going on, as you can see. I'm getting there. I'll be using the spackle today. Fill some holes. Let's come over here so I can show you. Right here, this is where the TV mount was. Got lucky, took it off. I found this 13 millimeter socket wrench. Without it, I didn't know what I was going to do. Oh yeah. Luckily, I found a hex adapter, so I'll be able to put it back on. Father-in-law helped me install it a while back. Very thankful for that. The in-laws were over yesterday. Had to stop the work. Father-in-law helped me put the mirror on. Thankful for that. Oh yeah. And without this, I didn't know what I was going to do. Remember the Star Wars set? So that's where I got that from. So let's try to wrap this up, finish up. Got a couple more days to go. Let's get the multi-tool here. Come over to the wall and smooth out the holes a bit. Depending on how much of this you use, it should take about 24 minutes, less than 30, to dry. Hope that's true. So I'll take some of this and fill the holes. I don't like the 2-inch knives that come with the kits. Anyway, I like to put some on the corner of the knife, smash it into the hole, then spread it. Seems to be drying fast. That's a good thing. Time isn't really on my side. The kit comes with sandpaper. I won't be using it. I'll use my orbital sander. I need this patch though. So I'll rip up this part here, apply the patch. I don't like it. You have to put the spackle on the other side of it. Then I'll take some spackle and fill that in and take care of this too. Seems dry, but it's not. I see a little pink. Rather be safe than sorry. So I'll wait till the whole thing is completely white. Looks like we'll be going over that 24-minute mark. I'll just focus on this other stuff. All this. Too much? Maybe so. Just wanted to make sure. It's actually worse than what you think, trust me. Over here, it's looking good. Oh yeah. At least this is completely dry. Good. So I'll pull out one of the masks that I got from Walmart and my sander. I really can't record and sand at the same time. I just want to give you a heads up. When you're using something like this, make sure you put it on the surface flat. If you go in on an angle, you'll mess up the wall. So keep that in mind. But it came in handy. Looks good. Oh yeah. But be careful. This thing gets away from you. I guess I could have or should have used the sandpaper. Dust is everywhere. This looks good. There were 4 spots I didn't like over there. This is still drying. Guess I can take the stud finder now. Locate some studs. Put the mount back on the wall. Let's do it. Located the studs, I think. So now just get the hole started. Very lucky to have this socket set. It's on there. Got some bad readings. I'll figure it out later. So let's come over here. Address this. That spot's still drying. Moving right along though. Surprise, surprise. Accent wall. It's going to be navy blue. This is per management. I think it'd be okay. I'll put one coat on first, then take care of this, then put the second coat on after the sanding. Beautiful. Wait till it dries. It's going to really pop. Second coat tomorrow. Sunday, day 4. Hope it's the last day. I'll apply that second coat right after that sanding. This is still drying. You can throw out that 24-minute thing. Ran to the store, picked up some more stuff. Needed some more trim cups. I know I got this tape. Didn't want to get it, but it was a better deal. But it will be the last time. Trust me on that, I think. Second coat of the navy blue has been applied. Added some more of the cement gray. And once this dries, I'll finish up with the cement gray on this wall here. Looking good though. Didn't like how this patch job turned out, so I added another skim coat. We'll see how long this takes to dry. Everything is on the up and up. Sometimes progress is a bit slow. Cement gray is nice. Might have to add a third coat of the navy blue. Did some more taping. Waiting on this to dry. Still, let's address some of the window areas. Trust me, guys. I want to finish today. The spackle was holding things up. More taping. Can't stand it. Trying to wrap it all up. Doing my touch-ups. Guess there wouldn't be so many had I used the right tape. Love this cup though. I was thinking 4 days, but an extra day isn't gonna kill me. No matter how much taping and touch-ups, do it right. It's the drywall's fault. Finishing is always the best part. That navy blue was great. Really like the cement gray too. Brightens up the space. Now the TV is centered with the living room. Originally, it was further back because the furniture was different. Look at this. Amazing. Amazing what paint can do. Entryway is even nice. All of it is bright. Looks great. Well, thanks for watching. You guys take care. Bye.